Today was a good day. It was pretty chill, pretty relaxing. I did not overwork myself, only a little bit in the morning, and then I let the afternoon and evening free for the most part. It was good, but felt like the Sunday went too fast. Like, I need more rest. I need like a few days worth of rest at least. But that's not happening anytime soon. So I'll just have to sort of stick with it, get through it. But that's a good thing because the reason why I won't get a lot of rest is because I have work. And having work is a blessing. So I'm not complaining about it. However, a little bit of resting hours would be nice. So it's up to me to find that balance and to make sure that I rest as hard as I work so that I can keep working hard. Yeah, it's kind of interrelated. So that tomorrow again, back to work. Let's see how that goes. And ideally, I should have slept like 1.5 hours earlier, but I'm still awake, still doing this, and I'm gonna sleep right after I'm done with this. So, all those people who've been hustling hard, amazing. You're good. You're there. But remember to take the time out to also rest because rest is a must and it should ideally be non negotiable. Although, for workaholics, rest is always compromised. I know it happens, I've been there, done that a lot of times, and sometimes it's just impossible to look away from work when you know you have to do something. You just have to do it. I mean, I get it, but rather not compromise with rest now so you can work longer for a longer duration. Otherwise, it is going to give some or the other kind of health issues, whether physical, mental, emotional, stress, anxiety, something. And that is gonna make us force us to compromise it for even longer. So, might as well just reduce a few hours and take the time to rest. Yeah, I think coming to a compromise is always better than having to stop something altogether. Yeah, I think that's how things last longer. At least that's how I think. I'll see you tomorrow.